What's going on, man? We back. Another video with it, man. Today, we finally gonna get on trying to install these weather strips on all the doors. Because, man, they pretty roached out. They ain't too bad, but they actually pretty roached. So, I'm actually gotta get door seals replaced because I got a wind noise. But also, I think it's because all my window channels are worn out too. So, we gotta get some of those on the way. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So as y'all can see, like all my window channels is coming apart. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out where to get some of those from. Like this one actually isn't in the worst of shape, but it's the front doors that are worse. Sweeps and these window channels. I know they make like Reebok rubber ones, but I don't even know how to get these out. So I think I can leave that metal strip in there and then just kind of pull all the rubber out, but that'll be something for another day. But today we're gonna try to get these replaced. As y'all see, these are all rotted out, need to come off. So I'm definitely about to start ripping these out. Trying my best to rip them out anyway, get them replaced. I already did. This one's actually not too bad, but since I actually got all 4 new ones, I'm gonna go ahead and just replace them. I did this passenger rear door already, but it wasn't too hard because I got the ones you don't have to use adhesive glue on, so we definitely got those on there. And it made the door a lot tighter, but I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna leave it tight on the door. We got it all. Everything's brand new on that seal. Running down the door, all the clips lined up. Should probably push them a little tighter and then just keep working on it. But anyway, see that clip got really tight on that seal. But let's try to get this other one on, which is crazy because it's actually color coordinated, which is kind of just like factory. I looked at the factory front doors use the blue pins and the rear doors use the white pins, so it makes it easier to tell them apart. But anyway, I'm finna get to taking the strip off, which I like to use a little tire tool because it makes it easy to like kind of rip through the old adhesive glue they got on there. And once you get that ripped out, everything normally goes pretty quick and easy. So I'll try to show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm only working one hand right now. Anyway, let me work on ripping this out and then I'll kind of tell y'all how I got it out. So I was able to get it down out of the trim clip. Like I said, I just use this tire tool, kind of just shove it out. It didn't have a lot of glue in it, so as you can see, it's just came out pretty easy. Only thing I did notice that's different on the factory ones and the aftermarket ones is this has like a little corner guide to kind of like big thick piece of plastic in there to hold it in, and the other one doesn't, so it's not too bad. And then I noticed the bottom, like I said, the bottom are all clips, so what I normally do with these is just pull it off, just yank the clips all off, because it's easy to get the rest out. Once you get the glue off, once you're able to get the glue off, you can yank this, just pull it the rest of the way off, all the way from the bottom of the door, and it's off. Then you gotta pop these clips off, but I'm gonna show y'all, if you don't have a trim tool, easiest way to do it. Let's see if I got one out here. Yep. Use your regular old house fork. Regular old house fork and a regular old butter knife. Them are the 2 essential tools you can use from home, or you ain't even gotta go get no trim tools from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, none of that stuff. You can just grab it like this. I'll show y'all how to do it. It's the simplest thing in the world. So you just take it, make sure your clips are sideways, and you can just take that, shove it all in there, pop it right out. Little trick I learned, man, not having all the proper tools, but I got one at work. Like I said, I spent all my time working and all my tools are up there, so they ain't never at home, but y'all get the gist of it. I'm finna finish yanking these out, and then once I get them all out, we'll start popping that new one in and show you how easy it is to go around the trim with the new one. I got actually a if y'all can see that. Finished cleaning this out. It's got a little glue on it, but we'll get it out and start putting a new one on and show y'all how easy that is too. So we got it all off finally. Y'all see all the clips out, everything. I pretty much got the track clean. So now we're gonna try to install this on here. I don't know if I can do it with two hands. I only got me today, my wife. She's cooking us dinner right now, so I'm trying to get y'all some quick footage before I go spend time with the family. But what you wanna do is, you wanna get this up here, around here. And once you get the corner, you put a stretch on it, and you can just use the butter knife to poke your rigid end in there and get it all the way down. So I'm about to try that real quick and kind of get it in there halfway where I can show y'all how to do the rest. So give me 1 second with this one time. Here y'all go. So what I was saying was, what you can do is you can take this knife and just kind of on the back of your seal, once you get it up there, see if I can see y'all. Like, if we look in here, you can just take the seal and just, if it's not fully down, just walk it down like this. Walk it down in the corners all the way down. You don't have to worry about ripping it, tearing it, nothing. Just follow it down. Same thing on the front. Just walk the seal all the way down the front, get it in. Same way with the sides, but I always put the sides on after I get the clips in. So right now I'm finna finish putting it on, and we're gonna show y'all what this door looks like when it's all done. And we'll do the other two off camera anyway, so let's finish this door up. We got it on, man. We finished up. Got it on. So we'll clean out the door jamb a little bit more to get all some of that dust out. Wipe everything back down, but it's on. These corners are a little tight right here, but that'll flatten out over time. We'll get it to flatten out. Probably put a little bit of adhesive glue behind it, but right there it's good, man. I can clean my fingernails. Tech fingers. But we got it all on. All the clips pushed in around the door. It's probably gonna close pretty tight, but you know, see. Yeah. Yeah, it's closing really tight now, just like the other side. But everything done on the back. I need to get these fronts in. And then if y'all know anywhere I can get the channels at, you know, that y'all know are reputable, link it in the comment section. I need to get those next. Trying to think of what else. I need to get those. We're gonna have the weather strips, and then we gotta get the felt sweeps. All those will be brand new. It's coming, man. And like I said, I'm taking y'all with me every step of the journey on this car. That way y'all will see the whole process of, you know, doing this. And as of right now, I'm in the car. It's been just a super easy investment, man. And I mean, it's like, you know, I'm not going crazy with it, overboard. The most expensive thing is, you know, is the wheels on the car. The car and the wheels were the most expensive part. But everything else right now, I have just my labor in it, which, like I said, I do everything myself. I'm not paying anybody anymore. If there's a chance that I can do it myself. I know a reputable guy now, after the whole debacle with my Chevy, that he's gonna, you know, like I said, he's gonna do my hood and my deck lid, get that touched up. I'm debating, should I replace the interior or should I just, you know, because I don't want to go overboard, or should I just have, I know a really good guy who could re-dye this all factory color, touch it up, make it all look good, you know, because I want the car so when you see it, know it's a driver. Know it's a really damn clean driver. It's not a show car. It ain't one of those. I'm not trailering it everywhere. When you see it, you're gonna know that I drive this car. So yeah, we're just gonna keep knocking it out, keep rocking and rolling. Another thing off the checklist that we got the weather strips in there. Crazy part is the checklist is getting smaller and smaller and smaller as we keep going. Show y'all, we still gotta get a headliner with the stars in the roof, paint touch-ups, dye the interior, intake manifold reseal. I can mark this off. I actually don't need the liquid line. Thought I had a liquid line leaking on my AC, but I don't. It was just the fitting right at my radiator. I had a little green drip coming out. I thought it was dye, but now we put a new clamp on it. That's good. I do the opera lights. We're gonna have to go in, redo the suspension, get it all cleaned up, so we can actually mark the weather strips off too. So Got the weather strips done. Now we gotta get trim. I think I may actually leave it this color instead of color matching it, because I was gonna match it to the paint, but I think I'm gonna leave it the same, man. Crazy part is my wife, man, she is so dead set on another Monte Carlo, so you know, who knows? We may be filling that spot real soon for her, so definitely y'all stay tuned. Anyway, man, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching the video. Another little quick video updating the Cadillac, what I'm about to say, Chevy, updating the Caddy. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. More on the way, man. More on the way. Y'all stay tuned.